Yo, what is up friends? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Evan and today I just have a quick unboxing video for you guys. So you can probably tell from the title, but I just ordered a pair of boots last month. I mentioned them quickly in my September haul video, but they finally came in and I've been waiting for these for so long, so I'm super excited that they're finally coming in. So yeah, before we get into it, I'm just a little bit sick right now, so apologies if I sound any different or tired or anything. But yeah, I'm super excited, so let's just jump right into it. So the order came in this giant package. I just sent it directly to my P.O. box at school and picked it up on Tuesday, I believe. So I placed my order in September, I think around September 15th or something like that. And they had like an 8-week shipping delay just to restock. And originally they were supposed to ship November 10th, which was around 8 weeks since I placed my order. But they shipped 2 weeks earlier, so yeah, they shipped out like Sunday or Monday. I'm not sure, one of those 2 days. And they actually delivered it really fast. I got my order on Tuesday, so the shipping was only like 1 or 2 days. So they do ship really fast. I think they use like DHL Express. So long wait time, but definitely really fast shipping. So I'm just gonna get right into it and open this. I actually really wanted to open this right when I got it, but I just wanted to have like a genuine unboxing reaction. So this is gonna be my first time opening it as well, so I'm super excited. And I'm super excited. I probably should open this initial box. Alright, well, here it is. Just comes in this black box. There's really not much to it. It's just their logo up front in the gold detail. I already seen this box, so it's nothing too exciting, but it's still really nice to see it in person, and just can't wait to open it. So let's just yeah, just generic box. Definitely really nice though. It feels really heavy and definitely really sturdy, so I'm gonna be holding on to it. So right when you open it, they just have a confirmation of the order. Thank you for purchase. This thank you for purchase. So next time you want to order, we'll send you thank you. So it's really nice. I'm definitely thinking about ordering combo boots next, so that's really handy. And just have a confirmation of the order and social media and other things, which is really helpful. I'm not sure if the boots say yes, so definitely gonna have to do that. So oh wait, so on the side they also just have like a silhouette or outline of whatever you ordered, the name of the boot, the size, which is the European size I believe, and just some extra detailings. But when you open it, yeah, they just have the confirmation of the order, and then it's just honestly some pretty nice quality black tissue paper. Let's just get that out of the way. And so on top they just have, actually the boots are in these dust bags. Normally when you order these boots, and like from what I've seen, the dust bags are usually just on top, but I feel like, yo, I'm getting really excited just feeling the boots through these dust bags. But yeah, the shoes are in these dust bags, so I'm just gonna take them out. But yeah, they just come with these dust bags. They feel super soft. Like, I don't know what it's made out of, but these dust bags are definitely super high quality. They're actually really big for the size of the shoe, but yeah, it's just an empty box, black tissue paper, and yeah, that's it for the box. But this is what I've been waiting for. It's been 6 weeks and I'm just super excited for this. The dust bag is definitely really big, but just a black dust bag with their logo in front. Again, like the box, gold logo, made in Italy. and yeah, just super soft. So you just have, it's a generic dust bag, you just pull it, tighten it. Definitely gonna be holding on to these for whenever I travel, but I'm feeling the shoes right now and it feels so nice. I've been waiting for this for so long, and here it is. So definitely these are a YSL alternative to their harness Wyatt boots. Those run around like $1,200, so definitely can't afford those, but these were a really nice cheaper alternative. I think these go for 390 pounds on their website, which converts to like 500 USD. So definitely a really nice, I don't know, I just have these blacks. I don't know if it's from the shoes or bag, but I have these like black stuff on it. I don't know. But these are definitely a really good, cheaper alternative. I've seen, there's not much review on these. It's still a really small brand, but I mean, just holding on to it, the quality feels really nice. And I don't know if you could tell on camera, but like, it's just a really nice finish. I'm super excited to wear these. It's just a generic YSL Wyatt design, slim silhouette, high shaft, and it's also really slim shaft. And this is based off the highly slimane era with the exposed zip and of course the harness, which is the iconic detailing. I believe it's a 40mm heel. You can find all the details of the boots on the website, but yeah, I'm just super excited to hold on to these. And the zipper is definitely high quality. It's YKK. Yeah, YKK zip, so definitely high quality hardware. And yeah, I don't know. On the bottom, it's Blake Stitch Construction. They have their logo on the bottom. The sizing is generic stuff for a lot of just like high-end brands. And like, I've been into like Nordstrom's and high-end department stores, and I've tried on the YSL Wyatt boots, and honestly, like, from personal experience, I feel like the hardware on these boots just feels so much cleaner and nicer than the YSL boots I've tried. So I'm definitely really excited to wear these, put these on for the B-roll. I got a size 8, and normally I wear like a size 8, size 9. I just decided to size down for my boots because I figured the leather would stretch anyway. But hopefully these fit so I don't have to return it, because the whole shipping process is going to be a big hassle. So definitely really excited to try these on for the B-roll. And I think before I even wear these out, I'm probably going to get a rubber topsy. I think that's what it's called, just a rubber topsy on the bottom so I don't damage the leather of these boots. But I'm so excited to wear these, and I'll just take the other boot out. So yeah, same exact thing for the other boots. I've read in some reviews that they do like have some quality control that like is kind of fishy, so I'm just making sure that none of these are like damaged in any type of way. So, but I mean, from what I can tell, they seem really nice. They feel really nice, like definitely really high quality, and the hardware is just so nice. But yeah, that's about it. I'm super excited to have these, and you'll probably see these in the B-roll coming up or throughout the video, but super excited for these. Yeah, I waited 6 weeks for these, so it's definitely a long wait time. I've been thinking about these so much. So yeah, like I said, originally I wanted the YSL Wyatt boots, but those are definitely way out of my price range. So definitely check these out as a cheaper alternative. And I'll just leave their website down below with a discount code. I'm pretty sure it's still going on right now. It's a 10% discount code. And maybe I'll just reach out to them and see if they can give me a discount code for you guys also. But yeah, I'm just super excited to wear these. And if you're looking into purchasing like a YSL boot but can't afford the price tag, definitely look into this brand. It's called FromTheFirst, and their combat boot is also reminiscent of the Dior 07 Navigator boots, so definitely look into that instead of paying the regular retail price or like the markup price on Grailed or anything. So yeah, thank you guys once again for tuning in and checking out this video. Definitely see a lot more of these boots around, and I'm super excited to wear these, but that's about it. So peace.